Graduated in computer science engineering? Now what? If you feel a little lost or overwhelmed, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we are going to untangle the career confusion and help you find your fit. Let's dive in. Segment 1, the big misconception. So here's the first thing I want you to understand. You didn't sign up for a lifetime of just coding when you chose computer science. That's a common myth or misconception. And yes, being a developer is one path, but it's far from the only one. Here's the truth. Just because you did computer science doesn't mean you have to become a software developer. Shocking, maybe, but let me explain. A lot of CSE graduates think their only option is a 9-to-5 development job. But the tech industry today offers a buffet of roles, each one suiting different interests and strengths. So you got options, lots of them, and depending on who you are, some paths will suit you better than others. Segment 2, what's your flavor? Okay, before we get into roles and job titles, let's talk about you. This is where the magic happens. First things first, ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing most? Are you into building stuff, solving problems, designing experiences, or talking to people? That's your compass. Imagine this. You're not choosing a job. You're choosing a lifestyle, a mindset, and maybe a mission. So think about this for a second. Are you the kind of person who lives for solving complex puzzles? You might love being a software developer or data scientist. Do you enjoy the look and feel of apps more than how they work? Well, UI or UX design might be your playground. Are you the one who explains tech stuff to non-tech friends? You could totally rock in product management or tech sales. Or maybe you are the curious cat who wonders how hackers break in. Cybersecurity could be your calling. See, different flavors, different people. And that's the point. You're not here to copy someone's path. You're here to carve your own. Segment 3, let's talk real career paths. Now, let's break down the most common career paths you take as a CSE graduate, with the good, the bad, and the reality. Let's dive into the top career paths for CSE grads this year. And trust me, you don't need to chase all of them, but knowing your option is the first step to finding your fit. Number 1, software developer, front-end or back-end or full stack. If you love building apps, websites, or tools, and you like solving logical problems, this is your classic go-to. It's still in demand, especially if you know JavaScript, React, Node, Python, or Java. Number 2, data analyst or data scientist. Are you into numbers, charts, patterns, or using data to solve real-world problems? You will enjoy working with tools like Python, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau. Add a sprinkle of machine learning and boom, you are in. Number 3, machine learning engineer or AI developer. This is for the algorithm nerds. If you enjoy training models, working with data sets, and love math, ML is booming. But fair warning, it's deep and needs a strong foundation in stats, Python, and logic. Number 4, DevOps or cloud engineer. If you are the person who loves automation, building systems that scale, and making sure everything just works, this could be your jam. AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, or your new friends. Number 5, cybersecurity analyst or ethical hacker. Love solving puzzles like catching bad guys? Cybersecurity is exploding. With rising cyber attacks, companies need defenders more than ever. Number 6, UI or UX designer or front-end specialist. More creative, have a good eye for design, user behavior, or aesthetics. This role blends tech with psychology and visual storytelling. Number 7, game developer or AR/VR designer. If you are a gamer who dreams of creating worlds, not just playing them, this feels growing fast. With Unity, Unreal Engine, and 3D tech in demand. Number 8, tech consultant or product manager. Not into coding 24/7, you can still be in tech through roles like product management, or consulting, where you solve user problems, lead teams, and bridge tech with business. Segment 4, how to pick the right one. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually pick what suits me best? I mean, everything sounds cool, but everything also sounds overwhelming, right? Here's how I break it down. Think of it like choosing your next Netflix series. There are tons of options, but the good ones always check a few key boxes. So apply this simple 4-step filter to narrow it down. First, interest. What genuinely gets you curious? Not what your friends are doing or what your seniors told you, but the stuff that makes you want to learn more even outside class. That's your spark. Next up, aptitude. Ask yourself, what do you pick up easily? What feels more natural than forced? It doesn't mean you are an expert already. It just means the learning curve doesn't feel like a mountain. Third, opportunities. This is where we bring in some reality. What's actually in demand right now or growing fast? You don't want to train for something that's shrinking or saturated. Think smart, not just passionate. And finally, lifestyle fit. Do you prefer a structured 9 to 5 or something more flexible? Want to work remote or be around people? Some roles come with 2 a.m. production calls, others not so much. Picture your day-to-day, not just the job title. If these 4 click, interest, aptitude, opportunity, and lifestyle, you are not just picking a career, you are picking a career that fits you. Segment 5, it's okay to change. Here's something nobody tells you. You can change your mind. Seriously, your first job doesn't have to be your forever job. I started in support, then I moved into systems, then management. Now I train and coach. It's a journey. Your path can evolve as you evolve. That's the beauty of this field. Segment 6, real world action plan. Alright, let's move from thinking to doing, because clarity without action just becomes more overthinking. So, if you're ready to explore and make moves, here's what I suggest you to do this week. Not next month, not when you feel ready, now. Start by shortlisting 2 or 3 career roles that made you think, yes, I could see myself doing that. Don't pick 10, pick a few, keep it simple. Next, go watch a few day in the life videos or job breakdowns on YouTube. You'd be surprised how much you can learn from someone else's real world experiences. It's like career test driving. Then try building a tiny project or a mini case study. Just one. Doesn't have to be fancy. Think of it as a proof of interest, not proof of expertise. Reach out to someone already in that field. A DM on LinkedIn, a short email, even a comment on their post. Ask something meaningful. You will be surprised who responds. And finally, experiment. Do an online course, try a certification, or see if there's a short-term internship or gig. You don't have to commit for life. Just try it out like a demo version. Every step you take gives you data about what excites you, what drains you, and what aligns. So don't wait for perfect. Just take one solid step forward. Computer science doesn't lock you in. It unlocks doors. So explore, ask, try, grow. This field is full of possibilities. You just need the courage to choose. If this video gave you clarity, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which paths are you exploring right now? I'd love to hear your story.